Hi, and welcome back to Math with Miss Wardell. This is lesson 29 problem set. I am on page 133. Okay, so we're going to go through a couple of these, right? We're talking about solving a variety of word problems involving area and perimeter. Okay, number one says Kyle puts two rectangles together to make the L shape. Do you see the L shape figure? Okay. He measures some of the sides lengths and records as shown. So here he's labeled some. So this is what I like to call like a missing side length, okay? So missing lengths. We don't know. We still need to figure out some of these. If I were to make it a full square, just on the side here, okay? I notice the bottom is 16 by 12, right? So I know that this side would be 12, this side would be 16. I also notice that probably about right here is where he put these two together, right? So it looks like he has an 8 by 6, which means that this is 6, and on the inside this would be 8, right? So that means that something here plus 8 would give me the 16. Because I'm missing this side length over here. We don't know what this is. We're missing this one, and we're missing this one, right? Okay? So, let's see. So, another way that I can do that is that I can extend this up, right, to form my rectangle. And I know that if this side is 8, then this side must be 8, right? So, an 8 plus blank would give me 16 because this all total has to be 16 just like this. So what plus 8 will give me 16? Well, 8 will. So here's 8. And then we're also missing this side. So I know that the total side length is 12. I don't have this side, but I do have this portion of it because I have this side length, which is 6. So 6 plus what gives me 12? Oh, 6 does. Okay, so now I can find the perimeter. So A says find the perimeter. Now remember, with perimeter, you're adding all the side lengths. Okay, so we are going to add. Make sure that you really remember this. So we're adding this side plus this side. It's all of the outside. It is never the inside length, okay? We're only going around the outside here, okay? So let's start with 12. So perimeter equals 12 plus 8 plus 6. So this 6 right here that we found, we're not adding this 8. That was just to help us to find it. We're adding this 8 right here because this is on the outside that I've highlighted. On the outside here, this 6. We are not adding this 8 as on the inside. It just helped us to figure it out. And the 16. Okay? So we're adding all of these together. So I've got 12 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. So I'm going to group a couple of things together. I'm going to say 12 plus, so 8 and 6 together would be 14. And I can do that again, plus 14 plus 16. Alright? Okay, so perimeter equals, let's see. 12 plus 14 plus 14 plus 16. Okay. I can say 4 and 4 is 8, 9, 10. So 4 and 4 is 8, plus 2 more is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Bring my 6 down, carry my 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 56. Let me make sure I counted that correctly. Eight, 9, 10, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 56. So 56 inches. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be figuring out what the area is. Remember, we're going to multiply here, right? So we're going to find out area equals length times width. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, Miss Wardell, how do we do that? Because we have this L shape. True, except for you do have a length, and you do have a width. So we can multiply 16 by 12. So area equals 16 times 12. So I might do that over here. So 12 times 16, right? 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1, 7. Bring down my 0 for a placeholder. So 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1, so we've already used that one. 1 times 1 is 1. Now I add these, right? I add them. So 2 and 0 is 2. 7 and 2, 7, 8, 9. 192. (192 inch square). Okay. Let's look at C real quick. C says, Kyle makes 2 copies of the L-shaped figure. So now he's got 2 copies. To create the rectangle shown below, find the perimeter of the rectangle. So we just want to find this perimeter. Alright, so we're going to add. Make sure we remember to add these up. Well, I know this because we found it up here. Alright, so 8. So I know this little top part, which is 8. And the bottom of it's over here. So 8. So then I'm going to say, well, this must be 16, right? And this is 12. So I'm adding all these numbers up, right? I'm going to say perimeter equals 8 plus 16 plus 12 plus 8 plus 16 plus 12. Okay, so add all of these together. Well, let's see, I know that 8 plus 16 is 24, because 3 times 8 is 24. So I'm going to group those together. So I'm going to say 24 plus 12, bring my 12 down, plus group 16 and 8, which is 24, plus 12. So that automatically helps me to figure out the rest of this. 24 and 12, I can group together. So 4 and 2, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 1 is 3. So 36, I can do the same again because I'm adding the same 2 numbers. So now I just need to add 36 plus 36. 6 and 6 is 12. Carry a 10, so I can say 3 and 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. 72 inches. 72 inches is my perimeter of the two L-shaped figures. All right, let's turn over to the next page. So here we have number 2. Number 2, it says Jeremiah and Haley use a piece of rope to mark a square space for their booth, at the science fair. The area, this is important. The area of their space is 49 square feet. What is the length of the rope that Jeremiah and Haley use if they have a 3-foot opening so they can get in and out of the space? Okay, so here's their booth. It has an area that is 49 square feet. We want to figure out the length, so I need to take away this 3 extra feet. So I'm going to say 49 minus 3, right? 9 from 3 is 6. Bring down my 4. So now I've got 46. So now I need to figure out what is 46 divided by 4. Okay, so divided by 4. What is the length of the rope? Oh! We didn't have to figure out the length of anything else. We just had to figure out this. Okay, sorry. We didn't need to figure out this length. We needed to figure out the length of the rope. 46. Right? Hang on. Let me think about that. Let's see. So, Aha. Okay. We didn't just need to figure out this. So, I know that if the area is 49, I need something. Sorry, I don't want to put that there. I want to say 49 equals something times something. And these have to be 2 of the same numbers, which sound pretty tricky, except for if you've been working on your multiplication like I've asked you to, you remember that 7 times 7 is actually 49. So 7 times 7, so here we've got 7 all the way around, right? Okay. So what is the length of the rope? Well, we can do that using perimeter. You can say perimeter equals 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, right? Perimeter equals 14 plus 14. Perimeter equals 28. So 28 is what they would need. What is the length of the rope that Jeremiah and Haley use if they leave a 3-foot opening so they can get in and out of the space? So I actually think that I did this wrong. I don't think that we needed to subtract this here. I think we needed to know the perimeter of it because that's the outside part, right? So here, the length of the rope is 28 plus the 3 extra inches, so 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 31 feet. It's 31 feet. That's the length of their rope. 31 feet. Alright guys, I'm going to pause this one here. We'll pick it up next time. Bye.